Hi, I'm Sharon. Thanks for checking out my video. This video is about open heart, and why is that so important? Well, I wanted to let you know why it's so important to have an open heart. We forget that we close down our hearts, and in that, it creates a space of separateness. It creates a space of not allowing other people's opinions, ideas, thoughts to be in a space of unconditional love. When we close down our hearts, we get really small. We close in, our energy gets hunched in, and it does nothing to enhance your gifts. It does nothing to help you shine. Well, when we open our hearts, and that's not an easy thing to do, can be very scary. It can be because we're so afraid of being hurt. But if you can move to a place of just open your heart, even if it's just a little bit, and go, oh, that's not so bad, and give the commands to open your heart, then you can start to see the world in a new place. Opening our heart requires us to start looking at how we are treating people. How are we being as far as being kind? We want everyone to be kind, but we want everyone to be kind out there. What about being kind inside, so that you are vibrating at a kindness frequency, and then you're naturally kind. You're naturally smiling. You are doing things that will emulate kindness, but we have to open our heart to do that. Well, that's why I'm saying open your heart for just the little things, because then you become more aware of other people, you become more aware of yourself, you become more aware of how you're treating. And if you are treating people in a way that isn't kind, then you may want to change that and offer being kind to yourself and being kind to others, because once you're kind to yourself, you'll be kind to others as well. So I invite you to think about opening your heart and grow it really big, because the more kind that you are in the world, the more you enhance the world, the more your gifts can shine through, and the more we can change this world to peace. Each one of us bringing kindness changes everything. And if you and I and everyone I know and everyone you know, and then everybody that they know, and then it just grows from there, we've created more peace on this planet just by choosing to be more kind, to think kinder thoughts, to do kinder things, even if it's so simple as you allowed someone they were pulling in front of you while you were driving, or someone fell and you helped them up. Just little things. Those are kindness. They make a difference on this planet. And if each one of us did one kind thing today, we would change the world if we were aware. I find that it's very easy to get caught on our phones and forget that there's other people out there. I'm not saying take away all your put your energy so much out there that you're not focusing on you, because I am saying open your heart so that you can pay attention to you, so you can see, do you need to change it? Do you need to add more kindness? Maybe you haven't added any kindness. Maybe you're so kind that you're overly kind and you need to rein it in. We all have different places and spaces that we are in different times of our lives. So I invite you to open your heart to pay attention to where you are, so that you can see, how can I enhance the world? Because I want more peace on this planet. I want more respect, more kindness, more joy, and us helping each other. We all matter. And if we start paying attention to not only ourselves, but to others, we're going to make a bigger difference, because I feel like natural human potentials and natural human states is we do really care about other people. Maybe not for everyone, but for the majority of us, we do. Anyway, I just wanted to send this little short video out to you just to remind you that opening your heart can be a good thing. And if we all do it, then we're all being a little kinder, and then we're all creating more joy, love, and peace on the planet. Anyway, just a quick pick me up. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.